Hello, Major! Kumusta po? Redmond Toys Raymond here. So, ito sir, testingin lang natin yung unit na order nyo. The WE Glock 17 Gen 5 Airsoft Gas Blowback Pistol. Okay, so ito yung magazine. Nilagyan ko na ng 10 BB. Tsaka, nilagyan ko na rin ng gas. Okay, so yan. Testingin natin. So, always remember to keep your trigger finger out until the time nakakalabitin niya. And make sure that the muzzle is always pointed at the safe direction. Okay? So, FPS test natin, tapos blowback test, tapos accuracy test. Okay, so inserting the magazine. Yan yung BB. Okay, so ito. 0-0. Firing. Okay, solid. Malakas. Yan, 354.8. 349.4. 348.3. And 339.3. Okay? So, for the FPS and blowback test, normal. Okay, it's very good. So, ngayon, proceed tayo sa accuracy test. So, ang target box natin is 2.3 meters away. And the target size is kasing laki ng 20 peso coin. Okay? So, kasi dapat supposedly it's 2 inches. Pero napuno ko na kasi yung box. So, ginamit ko na yung mga spaces in between the 2 inches. Which is kasing laki lang siya ng 20 peso coin. Okay? So, I will be sending you the picture of the 20 peso coin target size na babarili natin. Okay? So, that will be on the bottom. Okay? Sa pinakababa. Tapos, second from the right. Yun yung tatargetin natin. Okay? So, check natin kung accurate ba siya or kung gaano siya ka-accurate. Okay, so 6 shots. Tinamaan natin yung bilog. Lahat nandun sa loob ng bilog. Alright, so it's very accurate. Alright, so ngayon, nag-open yung slide. So, removing the magazine. Wala nang bala. Okay, so pull back. And then, hammer down. Okay? So, Major, okay na tong unit na order nyo. So, ipapako na siya para madala ko na siya sa courier tomorrow. Para ma-deliver sa inyo sa Laguna. Okay? So, ayun sir, thank you for your order. Until next transaction po, always remember to stay safe, stay great, be good, and be thankful always. God bless po sir. Bye-bye.